got up to our cabin for a week of testing some new Stryker models. We have our existing 420 Pro that we've had here all year. Really enjoyed running that this year. We got our camping gear on the dock. We have two MSLR E foils, and we have a 2024 Stryker Pro 380 with the new air floor, full load. It's pretty normal for us up here. We tend to have a lot of full loads on our way up here. This place is new for us this year. We've been doing lots of work, lots of wood cutting, solar panel installs, and just general get to know the area. So yeah, we've had an incredible year so far up here. Year one for us up in Barkley Sound, exploring all the little bays and everything that the area has to offer. So it's real West Coast stuff. Love it. Here's our Stryker 270. We run this on top of our boat. We have a little outboard in there, a little 6-horse. The lovely Angela, ready for a week of adventures?
Yes.
We've really enjoyed bringing this content to you for the last few years now. So this place is only going to allow us to expand our content and our creation and our rack opportunities. So stay tuned, guys. Lots of good stuff coming up. Yes, so while we're using our new chamber vac sealer, and this thing has totally changed how we vac and seal our fish at the end of the day. So we use heavy duty bags from Uline, and basically watch this thing go. So it does it all, sucks all the air out. You can have another bag ready, and it just does such a good job of vacuum sealing. Like, there's no way those old slow vacuum sealers. So it's simply, you flip that over, push the lid, it goes to work. You can get ready. So I've done, basically I'll have 3 fish vacuum sealed in 10 minutes, and like really high quality job of the vac sealer. So these are all ready to go. So cool, and just perfect vac seal every time. So a light season. So it's been boiling for about 5 minutes. Oh, that looks so good. Oh yeah. Look at that goodness. Yes, that looks so good. Nice job, sweetheart. Woke up to an absolutely beautiful, flat, calm, glassy morning out here in Barkley Sound. This is a view from the cabin deck. Being on the West Coast, it's very difficult to get items here. It's possible. There are a few ships that can bring stuff up to you, but for the most part, we need to be a little bit more self-sufficient than if we were at home. So one thing that we tend to use every day here, even in the summer, is firewood. Having a look down here, you can see we have a log down there that we have. We have another log over there. Often we wait until the logs make their way to us. And if we're here, we rope them, we wrangle them, we bring them back to shore. We tie them off, and as the tide goes higher and higher, we pull it towards the shore. And then when we get it up on our beach down there, cut it up and put it to good use. So out here, you got to let it dry a little bit longer. I'll show you where we dry. Here's our woodshed in here. That's a few rows deep. We do actually salvage quite a bit of wood that comes up on the shore here. Never seems to be a shortage of wood, but you got to stay on it. So we're on it. And then across here, we were out there last night. So across this bay, that's San Mateo Bay. Really good fishing over there right now. We might grab a coffee and go do some fishing over there. Looks pretty good. Follow along, guys. We're going to have a fun day today. We're going to have lots of adventures to film. Look at all these Strykers. We got 1 Stryker. We got 2, and we got 3. So this is the one where we've been cleaning. It's gonna have some white specks left on there, but nothing crazy. Yeah, it is looking way better than it was before. Okay, standing on a Pro V airflow. Headed over to San Mateo Bay. We're in our Stryker Pro 380. Oh, check out the waves in front of us as we're plowing through. Woo-wee. we're going to set up the jigs, and we're gonna look for some bait, and we're gonna try to jig some spring salmon. So you guys can follow along in our adventure and see how we make out. I find it's rigid enough that it holds its shape, but it also seems to ride really nice over the bigger waves. So we're just out here in Barkley Sound. We're in the Alberni Inlet right now. We just come from San Mateo doing a little bit of a crossing. It's not bad. The Pro V air floor with the foam and then the air, it's very, very comfortable. So I have my coffee, we're hanging out. I got the motor on autopilot, I'm watching out for logs. I don't recommend doing this the way that I do, but I got my safety cord on. I've been boating my entire life and I can swim very well, so should anything ever happen, we are keeping an eye. I got my my watch guard dogs up front here and on the side for all around coverage. We are up the Barkley Sound and we are on our way to go drop some traps in a new location. So that's crab traps. We've been semi-successful crabbing up here. We have a Stryker 270 on our roof of this boat, and we're gonna use it to go launch some traps and do some retrieval, and we're gonna visit some beaches. So we got a fun-filled afternoon of adventure. Stay tuned and enjoy the ride.